So innovation has been at the heart of ARC for the last 15 years. It's really important now. We have products that really solve the on-site challenges that people face, that people can trust and rely on. A recent example of our innovation is the new TCB Square product. That came from an idea, from a challenge on site where customers were bending sort of linear barriers around openings, and we found that would damage the barrier. It would tear the fibres, and there's no guarantee that's going to work properly in the event of a fire. So we came up with this innovative solution, which is the TCB Square. We can have a great product, but if it's specified or chosen incorrectly, it's not going to do its job. And equally, if it's installed poorly or incorrectly, it's not going to do its job. It'd be easy to wash our hands of that and say that's not our problem, but actually we want to look and see what we can do to help people get it right. One of the things we've done is add QR codes onto our products. So on site, people can easily scan the QR code on the mobile phone. The web page will load up with an animated video which shows exactly how it's installed, the features and benefits, and hopefully that will help the products be installed correctly first time, every time. We're the only low-rise cavity barrier manufacturer to hold third-party fire certification on its products. That's been particularly important in a post-Grenfell world, really giving people the confidence that the products are sort of safe, accredited and fit for purpose.
We do what we say we're going to do, and we do the right thing, and we work with clients for a long term. We don't just work on a single transaction, we work on long-term specifications so the client can be sure that they're getting a quality, fit for purpose, robust specification, and they come back to us.